In today's video, we're going to see what you can do if your Call of Duty is not working or it is crashing due to this following error code. So what you can do is, first of all, you need to check the installation location. If you ever change the game's installation location, you'll just try to restore it to the original location. If that doesn't work, then you can just reinstall the game. If that works, then it's all right. Otherwise, you need to update drivers. You just need to make sure that your graphics card driver, if you're on PC, and other related drivers are up to date. If they are, then you can go to step number three, which is check for system update. So sometimes it could be that your operating system is not updated, due to which sometimes this error can arise. So just check that. If it isn't updated, then update it. Otherwise, you can use the battle.net client if you're launching the game through Xbox. This is specifically for Xbox users. You will try launching the game using the battle.net client. And if any of these steps don't work, then your last resort will be contacting support. You will contact the Activision's customer support to submit a crash report. And they will get to you. You will basically tell them your entire reason and what you're facing. They'll get to you and they'll tell you the proper solution to this. They'll check it from their end as well if this is an issue from their end, and they will help in resolving your issue. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more.